Hi, this is Dr. Ross Infinger for CDOCS with the Cone Beam Tip of the Day video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to design an implant bridge in SICAT Implant 2.0. So let's take a look at this case. So patient has broken tooth number 21, and we're going to plan an implant bridge from 19 to 21. As usual, we're going to import our CAD/CAM data. So we've already generated an SSI file out of the SICAT software. So in our Cone Beam software, we need to browse for that file. We find it, and then we get ready to import it. So here you can see my bridge design from 19 to 21, and we're going to go ahead and verify that file and mark our matching points. So this all works as usual. You find your 3 matching points of minimally or non-metal restored teeth, and then we can go ahead and merge in our CAD/CAM data over top of our Cone Beam information. So you can see we have now the file imported. We're going to verify the merge. Once the merge is verified, you can see that it brings in the bridge design. So from here, we go to Plan. We go to Add Implants, and we select that. So this is where it deviates a little from the standard procedure. So the software thinks I'm doing 3 sites on the implants. We want to deselect the Pontic site, number 20. So let's uncheck that, and then we can go ahead and select our implant sizes and click OK. Once we've done that, you'll see that the software proposes the virtual implant placement, and we can go ahead and tweak it from there as we see fit. So I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to design an implant bridge in SICAT Implant 2.0. Thanks, and we'll see you for the next CDOCS Tip of the Day.